Hello and welcome to this short video in the how-to series which will detail the steps required to use the dynamic attribute match type in Blue Prism. By the end of this video, you will be able to use the dynamic attribute match type in Blue Prism. In the application modeler, the dynamic match type allows you to match against values which could potentially change. This potential change must be configured in the application modeler. The dynamic match type lets you tell Blue Prism that the value of an attribute should be taken from the business object flow diagram and not the value listed in the application modeler. An example of when you would need dynamic attribute matching is when you need to match against a value held in a data item to be provided by the process as an input parameter, such as account details window. Since information such as customer's name or ID will change, the default equals match type simply will not work. Only the dynamic match type can provide this information. Note that once dynamic has been selected as the match type, the value column will lock. That value can only be provided by the business object flow diagram. A dynamic attribute is essentially an input parameter using the element. If you open the properties window on a particular stage which needs to use the element, the parameters button is usually disabled. It will only become enabled once an element is set up to use dynamic matching. You would need to build the expression to match the required attribute using the expression editor. This can be accessed from the Element Properties window. Let's take a look at how you would set the attribute match type to dynamic and how to complete the expression editor. Let's begin by opening the application modeler. To change the match type for this attribute to dynamic, open the match type menu and select the dynamic option. Note that when the dynamic option has been selected, the value field greys out and is therefore unavailable. Click the Apply button to save the change. Let's now go to the expression editor. To do this, select an appropriate step in one of the example diagrams. Then right-click and select the Properties option. In the Properties window, the Expression Editor button looks like a small calculator. The Expression Editor opens to show the current expression for this item. This is the functions area. When one of the functions has been chosen, the function detail area updates to display a simple explanation of that function. In this short how-to video, you have seen how to use the dynamic attribute match type in Blue Prism. Thank you for watching this video on how to create an environment variable in Blue Prism. If you would like to learn more about any of the Blue Prism products, please visit the Blue Prism University via the link in the description below. Or visit the Blue Prism University community to get support from other members and participate in various discussions. This is also available in the link in the description below.